I send our WhatsApp training, still on WhatsApp hack and tricks. Okay, today I want to teach another important thing, another tricks, updates that are on WhatsApp that you might not have known before now. If you're a WhatsApp user, I want to show you something that, for example, somebody send you a voice message, and maybe you don't want to read it on that voice message. You want that voice message to turn to write up a script, okay, as if the message is a text message. I want to read as text message. You know, you can actually do that on WhatsApp. Somebody can send you a voice message and you turn it to text message. You can also turn text message to voice message. So how do you do that? It's very simple. I will show you right away how you can do that, okay? And if you like what I'm teaching you, then don't waste time to follow us on Facebook, because we are here to teach you tech. And also, we will teach you many things about social media. So follow us on Facebook, join our group here on WhatsApp tutorial or Facebook tutorial, where we teach you everything about social media. So that much I do. Let's go ahead. Let me show you how you can actually change somebody's voice note to chat, to message. Okay, so as usual, I'll go to our three dots right there at your top right corner. I see your three dots. Click on the three dots. From there, click on settings. From settings, click on chat. Okay, when you get to chat, scroll. You see enter is send, no go there. Media visibility, don't go there. Font size, no. Just click on check-in. You see where they write chat. Okay, yeah, keep chat archive, no. You see voice message transcript. That's where we are going. Voice message transcript. Okay, after enter media font size, then voice message transcript. Turn it on, and that's what they'll tell you. Say, read your voice messages with transcript. Your personal voice message remains end-to-end encrypted. No one should be able to share it or know about it, not even WhatsApp and the rest of them. They tell you learn more. We are not going there. So do you know that now you want to turn that chat to voice message? It could be in any language, okay? English, just think of it. So first of all, you have to choose the language. You click on choose language. Are you from Portuguese? Are you from Espanol, which is Spain, or Pancake, Russia, and the rest of them? So many languages, but now we are choosing English. So I choose English, and then set up now. Okay, so email is set up. If somebody sends you a message, what do? You come over to the message. Let me just give you a sample of a message, a voice message, or let me look for one voice message that I have received. Just check for one voice message. Say this one now. So all you need to do is you hold it down. Okay, if you hold it down like this, it will turn to transcript. To tell you to transcribe. Click on transcribe, and immediately it will work. So do the setting, check yours, and if it works, let me know. And if you like what we are teaching you, do not waste time to join our WhatsApp training and follow us on Facebook, because more training is on the way. Check it out, and let's see you in our next training. Bye.